Bad news.
Yeah, bad news. Do you want a camera that takes pictures and videotapes and the action camera is supposed to be the best you can get? Or do you want something that's hyped up and doesn't take camera pictures and videos and all that stuff? Well, we bought the GoPro Hero 12. And I thought, this is going to be the one. This is the camera we need. We need an action camera. And we've used it many times. We've actually just made a video just before this when we went to the hard truth, and it did not record. My whole footage is gone. We're not there anymore. Can't go back. Then we started making 2 other videos, and it cut off the entire end of the video, probably a minute of the video, of like a 20-minute video. Then another video.
And they weren't out of battery.
It wasn't out of battery. It didn't have a heat warning or nothing on it. We're going to send it back. I'm going to look and see what I'm going to get. I'm going to get something to replace it. I'm very disappointed with GoPro. That's the one that everybody compares everything to. This is the 12th. There shouldn't be a problem with it. If you want to record stuff, this should be the camera you go to if you want to make sure you get footage. Underwater, all this other stuff, no. It totally didn't have my footage on one of them, and then messed up 2 other times. I mean, we don't have time to re-record stuff. We can't go back to where we came from. I mean, when I do my iPhone, what I'm doing now, I never worry about having a picture or a video. It's there. As long as I push record, it's going to be on that phone. I've never had a problem with that, and had it for years. I mean, that's all that's supposed to do is record. As far as, I mean, I felt like the battery life was like nothing.
Mm-mm.
I mean, even when we used it that day, we didn't know we was missing that footage, and we kept going the rest of the day. I mean, it hardly recorded anything.
Yeah.
We're going to return the GoPro. I'm sorry if you bought you a GoPro, and I'm sorry. But we actually we bought it through Amazon, and it has a 30-day return period. We went over that 30 days.
By 2 days?
And they, thankfully,
Amazon is amazing.
let us return it. They're the best.
Yeah, I just chatted in and said, hey,
I mean,
something's
wow.
wrong with this thing. And they're like, no problem. Here's your label.
And I was actually thinking about, like, I'm going to try to find out what's wrong with this. So I go looking. Well, I stumble on this guy's video, and he's taken it versus another camera. And this is the 13. This ain't even the 12. This is the new one. The new one that just came out. And the thing dies twice. Why he's videoing, the other one keeps going. And then he's like, well, someone told me, like, well, they ain't made to take videos for a long time. He's like,
that's literally what they're for.
Yeah, it's for videos. Some people like to just set them up at a baseball game and just turn them on.
Yeah.
That's what I want to be like. I just want to turn it on and it record. I don't want to be, oh, you got to have this special this. No. I had the right SD card.
We had bought extra batteries. We bought so much
stuff. I
stuff
bought so much stuff and spent so much
return.
time on this camera. I am not happy. Don't ask me to endorse GoPro ever. This is probably the last time I'll ever talk about GoPro. And, well, maybe the other video, I'll smash it some more. I will absolutely I'm not happy.
He's not happy.
At all. I mean, lost footage. Unacceptable.
And the footage, like, I had my phone going at hard truth, so at least we had that. But the other footage that we lost was really good stuff.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's amazing stuff.
From a video we were doing.
Mm-hmm.
So, and like you said, you can't go back.
Yeah.
And you can't recreate it because you're going to look goofy.
Yeah, we do a lot of our videos. Like we may list some points to what we're doing, but we don't have a script.
We ad-lib. We don't...
Yeah, we're not faking somebody else's
Like,
stuff.
if we say something stupid, it's
this
just...
is coming out of my heart.
It's just natural.
Yeah. And for me to lose footage like what we lost is just, it just breaks my heart.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't want to buy junk, you know. And I hopefully none of you bought this. If you did and you can return it, return it. If you can't, sell it on eBay.
Yeah, there you go.
Let someone else deal with it. Don't make it your problem. Please don't make it your problem. Okay, guys, let's end it there. I got to calm down a little bit. I'm a little stressed out about it.
Just got to calm down.
But thanks to Amazon. And thank you guys for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications. And if we have a problem with something, we're going to send it back and we're going to tell you about it. I don't want you guys buying junk. And that's one of the reasons we started this channel.
Yeah.
I want to review good stuff. I want to have good stuff. Stuff makes your life better. Hopefully we can get something else we can use. If you guys have any suggestions, comment down below what you guys are using, or if you had a GoPro and had a good experience. I read the reviews. I always read the reviews. And I didn't see anything like this until I really searched the problem. And then there's a lot of people having this problem. I mean, I don't know. We're going on a cruise, and it's kind of, I usually do more research, is what I'm trying to say. I didn't do enough research on this one before we bought it.
And we want something for the cruise.
Mm-hmm. Now I'm going to have to buy another one without really researching it. Again, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.
See you on the next review. Or bad review.
We've had a few of them. Oh, you really bashed our coffee maker. That poor coffee maker.